what is this? Okay, so guys, we're gonna be just doing something super awesome before I start this video. Shout out to Steven Glue. He just got back in town. It's my dad. So let's see what I've made today. That's right. Slime is coming back, baby. Okay, in my last slime video, I didn't tell you how to make it thick. What you're gonna do is you're gonna use some cornstarch.
They're all terrible people. Like every one of them is just terrible. There are no flashbacks. There's flash forward.
Watch this.
Real time. Hour and a half. Gunfight.
An idea for a movie is some short, right? And it's like two
So we're gonna be using it in the bathroom. Here we go. This does require I don't like this. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Give me one sec. Here we go. Yes, I did just wash my hands. It's a new fun kind of slime. Oh my gosh. Guys, just look at this. This is... Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me wash my hands. Don't worry, you'll get to see more. Just give me like 2 seconds, okay guys? Go get yourself a cup of OJ or something. I'm single filming this, so obviously I can't pause it. I'm gonna go draft. Give me 1 sec. Here we go, guys. I'm back. Look at that. And pick out as much as I can.